Now next topic is percentage. What is percentage? Now we will understand. Percentage is basically beta. In this chapter, that is comparing quantities, we are basically comparing the two quantities. Now in percentage, when we compare a quantities with रिस्पेक्ट टू 100 के रिस्पेक्ट में अगर किसी क्वांटिटी को हम क्या करेंगे, कंपेयर करेंगे, तो दैट इज योर परसेंटेज. सो इफ यू डिवाइड दिस वर्ड परसेंटेज, so this per means out of and this centage means 100. So when we are comparing the quantity out of 100, that is known as your percentage, and the symbol for the percentage is this one. If you see anything written, like if you see 25%, this means that 25 out of 100. If you say 87%, इसका मतलब होगा 87 out of 100. So when we are comparing any quantity with respect to what 100, then we are using percentage. Okay, so that comparison is your percentage, in which we compare this with respect to what 100. The percentage is basically comparison out of 100. जब हम कंपेयर करेंगे out of 100, then we say that comparison is your what percentage. Or the other definition for the percentage is that percentage are basically the numerator of a fraction with denominator 100. That means that if it is 25%, तो we say that this 25 is the numerator of a fraction जिसका denominator क्या बेटा आपका 100 है. ठीक है. If it is 27%, तो this means that this 87 is the numerator of a fraction whose denominator is what 100. तो basically comparison की गई है out of 100 के रिस्पेक्ट में, therefore we are saying that this is percentage. If you divide this word percentage, this per means out of and centage means your 100. So comparison out of 100 is your percentage. The symbol we use is this one. If wherever we see a number with this symbol, this means that the comparison has been done with 100. So this is 25%. This means that this is 25 upon 100. मतलब 25 का कंपैरिजन किया गया है 100 के रिस्पेक्ट में. इफ वी आर सेइंग 87%, इसका मतलब 87 आउट ऑफ 100. 100 में से कितने बेटा 87. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड द परसेंटेज. नाउ वी विल understand how to convert a fraction into a percentage, decimal into a percentage. Okay, in this exercise 8.2. Now this is the question number 1 of your exercise 8.2. This question number 1 says convert the given fractional number to a percent. What we have to do, we have to convert these fractions into what percentage. So if you see a part, this is 1 upon 8, and in the D part this is 2 upon 7. If you understand this, this is 1 out of 8. ये क्या है? Out of 8 it is 1 part. Out of 7 it is 2 part. So what we have to do, we have to convert this into what such a number in which the comparison is done with respect to 100. For that, what is the method? Just आपको क्या करना है, 1 upon 8 जो आपको फ्रैक्शन है उसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है 100 से. When we are multiplying it by 100, then we are converting this fraction into what percentage. So percentage में convert करने के fraction को just क्या करना है, आपको उसको 100 से multiply करना है. When we multiply it with respect to 100, then we are comparing this fraction with respect to what 100, and that is your percentage. तो हम इसको solve करेंगे. 1 into 100 is your 100 only. So we are getting 100 upon 8. Sorry, यहाँ पे क्या जाएगा, परसेंट आ जाएगा. आपको करना है 1 upon 8 को 100% से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. तो जो भी फ्रैक्शन आपको गिवन है उसको जस्ट 100% से मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. देन इट विल गेट कन्वर्टेड इनटू व्हाट परसेंटेज. ओके, सो दिस विल बी 100% अपॉन 8. अब हमें क्या करना है, इस 100 को 8 से डिवाइड करना है. सो दिस इज 8 1 जा 8, 0 comes 8 2 जा 16, we are getting 4. So now we have converted this into what mixed fraction. So this will be 12 whole 4 upon 8%. So now this 1 upon 8 has been converted into 12 whole 4 upon 8%. और अगर हम इसको डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो we will put decimal there, then 0, then this will be 8 5 is 40. So this will be either answer will be this or it will be 12.5%. This means that 12.5 out of 100, which is similar to 1 upon 8. तो यहाँ पे 1 out of 8 था, ये this is 12.5 out of 100. This means that this sign shows कि we have done the comparison out of 100. Now we'll move to the D part. The D part 2 upon 7 is there. You have to convert this 2 upon 7 into what? Percentage. So what we have to do, we have to just multiply this 2 upon 7 by 100%. 100% से multiply कर देंगे. Now 2 multiply 100 will be 200% upon 7. Now we will divide it 200 by 7. So 7 2s are 14. Getting 20 minus 14 is 6. यहाँ से 0 का 60. 7 8s are 56. Then we are getting how much remainder? 4. So this 200% upon 7 will be equals to what? 28 whole 4 upon 7%. So we have compared now this 2 upon 7 with respect to 100. So now this will be 28 whole 4 upon 7 out of 100. This symbol represents out of 100. Okay. So I hope you understood the concept of converting fractional number to a percentage. Now we will move to how to convert a decimal number into a percentage. Now this is the second question of your exercise 8.2. It says convert the given decimal fraction to a percent. Now in this question we have to convert a decimal numbers into a fraction. The concept is saying just what we have to do, we have to multiply the given decimal numbers into 100%. We have to multiply the given decimal fractions with 100%. The answer we are getting, that will be the comparison out of 100, that is percentage. So this is 0.65. तो इसको हमें अगर डेसिमल परसेंटेज में कन्वर्ट करना है तो जस्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 100%. 0.65 मल्टीप्लाई 100%. सो इट विल गिव द कंपैरिजन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू 100. तो जब हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0.65 मल्टीप्लाई 100 करते हैं तो डेसिमल के क्या होगा बेटा? 2 प्लेस कहाँ की ओर मूव करेगा? राइट साइड की ओर. वाई? बिकॉज वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस बाय 100. 100 से जब हम 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करें, नंबर ऑफ जीरोज आर 2. So when we are multiplying with the number containing zeros with the decimal number, in that case होता क्या है, आपका जो डेसिमल होता है राइट साइड की ओर मूव करता है उतने प्लेस जितने जीरोस में प्रेजेंट है. तो हमें जीरोज आर प्रेजेंट है, 2 जीरोज आर प्रेजेंट है, तो दिस विल बी मूविंग, दिस डेसिमल विल बी मूविंग टू 2 places. तो इट विल बी 1 2. आफ्टर 5 इट विल बी देयर. सो दिस विल बी 65 point. So this is 65.0. This is same as 65. So this will be 65%. I hope you understood what to do. You have to just multiply the given decimal number with 100%. The answer that is coming after multiplying is the percentage decimal number converted into percentage. So we have multiplied the 0.65 with the 100%. So answer we are getting is 65%. Similarly here also it is 12.35. So we will multiply this 12.35 with 100%. 100% multiply करेंगे. Again two zeros are there, so that this decimal will move 2 places towards the right. So this becomes 12 1 2. decimal just 5 के बाद आ जाएगा. This will 1235. यहाँ पे आपका decimal आ जाएगा. Then it will be percent. So this decimal we can remove because it is at the end. So the percentage of 12.35 will be what? 1235%. This means that the comparison has been done with respect to what? 100. So the remaining part of question number 1 and question number 2 you will do by yourself as a homework. With this we finish off with the today's class. That's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you. Jai Hind.